Hello everyone, my name is Graciela Vargas and we are here to solve several problems on probability rules of mathematics. Our problem starts with having 110 sixth semester students that were interviewed, and we found that 28 of them took business, 31 took nutrition, 42 took philosophy, 9 took both business and nutrition, 10 took both business and philosophy, 6 took nutrition and philosophy, and 4 took all of the subjects. So we will have to build a Venn diagram and answer to several questions.
We are going to find the
Hi, I'm Monica Tapa, and today we're gonna fill the information in the Venn diagram given to us, and this is how we're gonna do it. First, we're gonna label each of the circles with its category. First, it's business. Then nutrition. And least, philosophy. So now we're gonna put each of the numbers corresponding to its subject. In business, we have a total of 28 students. We have a total of 31 students in nutrition. We have a total of 42 students in philosophy. Now, here, the easiest number to grab and put it's the number 4 because it says it has all the 3 subjects. So, because of logic, it has to be in the middle. Then, here it says that there's a total of 9 students taking business and nutrition here. So we already have 4 students that take business and nutrition. Therefore, we have to place a 5 here. But we're missing that there's a total of 110 students. And here inside the circles, we only have 80 students. So 110 minus 80, we have a total of 30 students who are on the outside and do not take any of these 3 subjects. Now, letter A. Took none of the 3 subjects. We have 30, as we already said. Probability of none of 3 subjects. It's gonna be 30 over 110 equals 27.27%. Letter B. Took business yet not nutrition nor philosophy. What did I say?
13.
So we can't add nor nutrition nor philosophy. Therefore, we're only gonna have business. The 13 here is gonna be probability of took business.
For this part, we're gonna take the 13 that take only business out of 110.
Philosophy and business, yet not nutrition. So we're gonna grab the number 6 because it is business and philosophy and it does not include nutrition. So probability of it being business and philosophy equals 6 over 110, giving us 5.45%.
Problem D asks us to find a student who goes to business or nutrition. So we can have a student that goes to this circle, a student that goes to this circle. So we have to add all of those students. So it's 13. The notation is P, business, union, M of nutrition. So we add 13 plus 5 plus 20 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2, and it equals to 50 out of 110, also known as 45%. Next, problem E. Took at least one subject. That means that it's a student that has taken one subject or 2 subjects or 3 subjects. So that's 3 subjects, 2 subjects, or 1 subject. So that is probability of taking at least 1 subject is equal to everything that's here, which is, like we said before, 80 out of 110, or 72.73%. Next one, problem F. Took at least 2 subjects. So
To find letter F, we're going to find the people who took at least 2 subjects, meaning they took either 2 subjects or 3 subjects. So we're going to add whatever is in the middle, which is 5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 over 110 would give us 15.45. Okay, so to find letter G, to find the people who took exactly 2 subjects, we're going to add the numbers that are in between 2 circles, meaning 5 plus 6 plus 2 out of 110, which is 11.82.
The last problem, problem H, says that we have to find a student that has only taken 1 course only. So this students have taken 3, this students have taken 2, and this ones, 13, 20, and 30 only take 1. So we will add 13, 30, and 20, and we will have 63 out of 110, which is also equal to the probability of 57.27%.
Hi, I'm Roberta Potes, and I'm going to explain part number 2, problem number 2. And I'm going to explain this in a separate sheet of paper because I don't have a blackboard at home, but here it is. Okay, so this problem is very simple. It reads as following. Let X be the number of tables attended by a waitress. The probability of attending 1 table is the same as 2 tables. The probability of attending none is the same as attending 3 tables. So what does this mean? This means that the probability of attending 1 table equals the same as 2 tables, and 0 tables is the same as 3 tables. So for the first step, we're going to build a probability distribution table. This is very simple. We're going to name it in 2 rows. Row number 1 is going to be X, and it's going to mean the number of tables that can be attended. So it's 0, 1, 2, and 3. And P of X, which means the probability of attending such tables. And we know that attending 0 tables and 3 tables is the same probability, and attending 1 table and 2 tables is the same as well. So for our first question, it reads, find the value of K using this formula, which equals that the sum of all of the probabilities must equal to 1. So what we're going to do is really simple. We're going to add 2K plus K plus K plus 2K, meaning these 4, and they equal to 1. So we're going to add them up, and it's going to be 6K equals 1, and we're just going to take the 6 to the other side. So it's going to be K equals 1/6. And we're going to update our table. So at first it looks like this. And now we're going to add a third row, which is going to be the same as this one, but we're going to switch the K's and plug in the 1/6. So here is the update. It's going to be 2 times K, which is 2 times 1/6 and 1/3. And we know this and this one are the same. And it's going to be 1 times 1/6, 6, and this are the same. So it's going to be 1/3 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/3. This equals 2/6. So 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4 plus 2 equals 6 out of 6, meaning it's 1. And now for our second problem, it reads, find the probability of attending 2 tables at most. This means that the waitress can attend 0 tables, 1 table, or 2 tables. And it's just going to be the union because it's an or. So she can attend 0 tables, or 1 table, or 2 tables. And we're not going to add the 3 table because it's only up to 2. So we're just going to add the probabilities that we have right here. So it's going to be 1/3 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. And it's going to give us, well, this equals 2/6. So it's going to be 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4 out of 6. And if we simplify that, it's going to be 2 out of 3, meaning it's 66.67.